My name is Chun Kit, and my topic is meal insomnia of Hong Kong workers and sleep guidance product design. Let's talk about the background of Hong Kong working culture. Workaholic culture is always very common in Hong Kong because it's happened because the inflation and salary growth were in proportion, and the workers must do everything to keep their jobs or their work. So the OT culture is always exists in Hong Kong. Then is the work stress. Since they have a long working time and they want to keep their job, so lack of patience and to keep their job and keep working is very common. And lack of patience on work will cause fatigue. And many mental health problems are related to the working environment of patients, according to research. And it is also a main reason of causing the mental problem. Then it's about the sedentary behavior. As the development of the technology, the lifestyle is keep changes, and now no matter they're working, relaxing, or on their daily life, they're always having sitting or the sedentary behaviors. Sedentary behaviors can also cause the mental impacts and also the physical impacts. For example, the people who sit down during the leisure time have significantly high level of stress, anxiety, and depression, according to a research. And on physical impact, because the sitting position will cause the weight to remain under a high load, so it will cause the physical impacts. So it actually cause mentally impacts and physically impact both. Then on rest, Hong Kong people always have a misunderstanding of rest because they always think that rest is mean sleep. However, it is a different concept. The real rest concept is there have 7 aspects of rest and energy exhausting on mental, spiritual, emotional, social, sensory, creative, and physical. How to recover energy consumption and restore them in a balanced manner is with rest. However, enough sleep is only a premise or of the real rest, although it is a kind of rest method, but it is not means rest. However, having enough sleep already is a tough task for some people in Hong Kong because they always have different kind of stress, and stress is a main reason of causing the insomnia. So, as the lifestyle changes and the technology advancing, meal insomnia is a popular problem in Hong Kong. And once it starts, it will get into a loop because insomnia can cause stressful and stressful will cause insomnia again. And the people is hard to getting rest if they are suffering it. So my project objective is to create a product that help people who suffer by meal insomnia and soothing the stress and thoughts before sleeping, guiding people to feel sleepy, prevent different kind of influence on sleep, and increase sleep quality. And our target user and persona is target as a stable worker in between 25 to 40 years old, which is married and good at entering, hope the family has a stable life and always hardworking to do on their job. Because this kind of people have greatly chance to having the meal insomnia symptom. And after the summary, I have summed out 3 main pain points: hard to get into sleep, and easy to get interrupt during sleep, and bad sleep quality. So my design direction and the customer needs will be automatic operation because user won't want to use or control the product during sleeping, and guide relaxation, help calm body and mind, which is a main reason that cause them hard to sleep, and increase sleep quality, help them to reduce the time to get into the deep sleep. Then the product should have a good quality and structure, for example a smooth surface, which because they need to use it in the entire sleeping process. And on the product opportunity, after the research, I summarized 3 points of the opportunity. First, product have 2 different functions, and the automatically working products and a set of products will have a greatly opportunity according to the market. And here's some usable functions that I may use in my design. On sensors, there we have EEG sensors, the acceleration sensors, optical heartbeat sensors, temperature sensors, and the contactless batch sensors. On functions, it's mostly on apps, music, white noise, circuitant like system, like treatment, temperature adjustment, and IFTTT function, which a function that can cooperate with other smart products to work automatically. And my first design idea is a smart eyes mask with a speaker station, which mainly function by covering light during sleep and also doing the light treatment before sleep. The light treatment is using low bright or low color temperature light before sleep, which can help increase the dullness. And the design is using the soft plastic as the surface, which have the waterproof, and using the Furocco for easy wearing. Then the surface will be smooth and the shape is round, and it will not tie to the ear and allow user to sleep in different head position and prevent the pain or uncomfort on pinching the ear. There is the flat view of the products of the mask, which is this part is the EEG sensors, which help detect sleep phase and quality, and also help automatically active different functions when they are detecting the EEG of users. And inside is a layer of memory foam, which is soft and fully covered with phase. And this part is the LED light treatment and the light function, which can use as a alarm clock and also doing the light treatment. And there is some space for user to blinking their eyes. And combined with the IFTTT function, it can do something, for example, when they detect the user wake up and the room light can turn on. And here is the speaker station. The main function is to play relaxed music during the light treatment and play white noise during the sleeping process to reduce the time we get into deep sleep. And here is the charging function of this combination. The mask will put on the station and start the wireless charging on this part. And the second idea is the combination with a roof light and a workspan. The main function is the normal light function, and second is the circuitant light system, and they can play music, also playing the white noise, and it can check the heartbeat, also the sleep phase. And here is the side view of the products, and inside this part is the lamp, and here is the speakers, and here is the acceleration sensor and the optical heartbeat sensor. And here on the wristband is using a stress fabric, which is softer, elastic, and covering larger than ordinary wristband. It is more comfort when fixing position than the original or the existing products. And the main usage of this product is to combine with the meditation. It can help to release the melatonin and also increase the dullness naturally. And combined with meditation can have a good prepare for sleep, and it can change between blue and white light normally. And the third idea is the combination with a sleeping blanket with a pillow speaker. And the pillow speaker will be clipped on the pillow, and it can play relaxed music and also white noise during the sleeping process, and also as an alarm clock. On the blanket, it can automatically adjust the temperature of the bed in 20 Celsius, and it can also detect the sleep phase, breathing rhythm, and heartbeat, and also combine with the use of IFTTT function with other smart products. Here's the positioning, and this part will be the contactless batch sensor, which is based on the BCG principle, can detect the heart rate, respiration rate, heart rate variability, which related to the stress level. And during the detecting, it will start playing the white noise here, the speaker. And in the middle part, we'll have the temperature adjust panel and the temperature sensor to keep the entire temperature in 20 Celsius, which is the best temperature for human to getting sleep. And all three ideas is aimed to help user from preparing sleep and during sleep and until they wake up. And this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.